So I had to build a liner press because I forgot to buy one. They're about 200 bucks online. They're not that expensive, but I figured I would show you guys a video since I had to build one. So this is just a piece of 3/16 plate steel I had laying around, and I cut it so that it just touches the top of the liner here, which I might put some rubber underneath it or a piece of cardboard, I'm not sure, but realistically these are raised edge liners, and so we just don't want to touch that part, but over here should be fine. This is just some 2" by 2" square tubing. I think it's 2x2, it might be a little bit smaller. And then 2 head bolts, regular head bolts. This is a piece of 3/4 threaded rod, and I haven't welded it yet, but basically how it'll work is I'll weld this nut to here, and I'll weld that nut to the rod, and you can spin that nut, and depending on how deep you set these bolts, you should be able to push the liner in. One thing I thought was important is that's just a lug nut, and the threaded rod fits down in there, so that will help me locate the threaded rod to push evenly on the liner. So not really, not expensive, like $20 or maybe more, because if you have to buy this stuff, but I had all this junk laying around. So pretty easy to build. I just have to weld it up right now. So let me see if I can give you a better view of it. So anyway, yeah, that's it. And if it needs any modifications or anything, I'll make another video and we will splice the two together.